What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Y'all in for a special treat. It was time I finally pay a visit to the National Corvette Museum. Y'all don't want to miss out. Check this out. Y'all, here we go. We just gonna jump straight to it. Oh, this is such an honor. The very first Chevrolet Corvette ever made. The C1. Rolly exterior color polo white and interior color with red. This is it. To those who wonder what the name Corvette originated from, here's the answer. It was a lightweight warship. Of course, translated to Chevrolet first sports car. This one, the Corvette really became a Corvette. 1955, when the V8 was finally introduced in the car. That changed everything. Last year, the C1, 1962. Man himself, the godfather of Corvette. Zora Kuznetsov. He's the reason why the Corvette exists today in Chevrolet legendary sports car. 1969 LA car. Race motor. One bad Corvette for sure. 71 LS6 big block 454. Some beautiful C3s. Absolutely. Check this out, the original Z06, C206. That's so cool. I'm a big fan of playing Gran Turismo. Some of y'all probably are familiar with this car. It's the real deal. Corvette Racing. It was an honor to meet him this year, but coming here to see the original race car they raced with, the C5R, oh my goodness, I'm so speechless. This is like really going back in time. There's so much history right here. The American Le Mans series. Oh yes. Old school. Good old 427 7-liter V8. $1 million Corvette, the 1992 C4 that rolled the assembly line. And this is one of the 8 Corvettes that fell into the sinkhole almost 10 years ago, back in 2014. But GM took delivery of restoring it, and here it is back in its full glory.
Swallowing the iconic cars. A massive sinkhole, some 30 feet deep and 40 feet wide. From above, you can see the cars underneath the rubble.
All right, here we go. Here's the one and only surviving 1983 Corvette. This was pre-C4. This is it in the flesh. One and only that survived. Only one in existence right now. Just wow. The original Blue Devil 2009 Corvette ZR1. One of the 8 Corvettes that fell in the sinkhole. It's the new Corvette E-Ray 2024 model year. First all-wheel drive hybridization Corvette ever made. Thanks to the CA Stingray and the CA Z06, we now have this, and there's more to come. Well, everybody, that said, thank you for tuning into the video. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.